my people, welcome to Pidgin Science Tutor. You see, Pidgin are one of the most popular language for Africa. Not just that, from Nigeria to Ghana to Cameroon, most places for Central Africa they also speak Pidgin. They don't just stop there. If you go to America, if you go UK, if you go some European countries, you go, yes, some of those white folks, they do it in, they try to learn how to speak English. Not just English, but Pidgin English. Now, what will be the purpose of this channel? This channel, I go to teach maths, English, physics, chemistry, even earth science, but I go to use Pidgin. You know why? As I teach they go, I go to use real life examples where you fit relate to. I go also do small experiments that you go fit get the gist of what I talk. And finally, I go to break down big science gist so that you go fit follow me. Hold my shirt. Why would they move? See, okay, make I ask you this question. Now, what do you think say they make if anything where you throw for all go come down? Now, I know some of you say, okay, I know the answer. But guess what? In case you don't know, for my next video, I will tell you waiting the cause and waiting science they call that thing. But if you know the answer, drop them there in the comment section. Make we see. And again, make you not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See, it's time to make science make it easy for everybody. People don't complain of science too much. The science hard and science be this, but it is time where science make it every homes. So anytime we ask our grandma something, once they watch this channel, they go understand. Say, okay, now waiting they solve this. So share this channel, share this video to your friends, your family, to mom see, pop see, may they follow us. Pidgin English is not a bad English, not a bad English, not lying about deceive now, not just a normal way of communicating. So see you in my next video. Don't forget again, as I say, I beg, subscribe, follow me.